Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify website. First, begin by creating your Shopify account. You will need to select a plan that fits your business needs, with options starting around $29 per month. Next, choose a memorable domain name that reflects your brand. Finally, complete the initial setup by entering your business details and currency settings. This foundational step is crucial for establishing your online presence effectively. Now, let's focus on making your store visually appealing and functional. Select a theme from the Shopify theme store. There are over 100 free and paid options available. Customize it to match your brand's unique style, adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. Then, meticulously add your products, ensuring each item has at least 3 high-resolution images and a compelling description to attract customers. Next, we'll tackle the essential aspects of transactions and delivery. Integrate secure payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or Stripe to offer diverse payment options. Define your shipping zones and rates, considering both domestic and international delivery. You can set flat rates, free shipping, or calculated rates. Also, ensure you understand and configure your tax settings correctly to comply with local regulations. Finally, it's time to launch your hard work. Before going live, thoroughly review every page and function to ensure a seamless customer experience. Once satisfied, officially launch your Shopify store. Don't stop there. Begin implementing marketing strategies such as social media campaigns, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Consistent effort in promotion can significantly boost your store's visibility and sales over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.